there, but 8 months from now, he'll be back out there. He'll be good as new.
What are you doing? Figure out where you want to go.
We were playing in Mexico City, we're at altitude, so we would acclimatise. We'd be having to work with the balls. I mean, even back in my day, in the 80s, if we were playing a team from another country...
Back up a shame. Screw Baru.
And they missed a field goal that could have won the game for them. And they would have won the Super Bowl going away that year. They were a dynamic team. They had beaten the Raiders 51-3 in the championship game. They were a great team.
What a douchebag. Uses the left turn lane to cheat ahead.
Like, I remember being in high school, and the old high school basketball coach said,
no, stop.
Couldn't even sleep the night before games, and it was like, that's how much I know.
Same level as you, who hasn't scored a defensive touchdown, hasn't scored an offensive touchdown on you all day. You have to get a stop there. If you give up a field goal and it's 3 points and you go to overtime, I understand that. You can't get a touchdown there.
That if I say the name, you'll know who it is. But anyway, I'm acting next to this guy yesterday. Okay?
The fuck, really? We're coming.
Their sources, right? Yeah, I think there was definitely an itinerant preacher who was of some significance that was around during the time. That's like as far as I am.
That Audi did not stop.
You know,
Plays can cost you games in football. All you'd have to do is point to the pass who you just watched give away. Think about that game. Think about where the Raiders were after the Raiders were on their way to blowing another lead. And
what the hell is that guy doing?
Week after week is just
what are you know, he's backing up again for some reason. You know, you can, these streets are in a grid. You can go around the block to get around to where you're going. What's up with people?
More, but not too much, and don't be too nice. Sure, why not? Here we go again. Maybe while I'm working on this, people drop a meme about Peterson or Cicero. I barely have to do anything, and they never even notice, or they assume it's Ian that's dropped the ball. When am I ever going to find bosses who care so little about what I'm doing?
And then you watch a play that he is without question, one of the greatest coaches in the history of any sport.
Left turn regret.
Dolls of bullshit and hypocrisy that it is impossible to peel that onion. He's actually like an everlasting gobstopper made of endless layers of shit, and trying to sell you that he's really very sweet if you could just get past the smell and the taste. Lauren's whole life, his whole stuff, is based on this idea.
The fact that I know most 99.9% of them are fake, I don't even try to get one.
But I'm stringing, but I'm dum. What? Just step over the snow.
My U.S. News and World Report, the third year in a row. It's a dynasty. An emergency 24/7 professional notice to give these fast protect.
Red light run up there.
You can't not smile and think, oh, you poor sweet summer child. Oh, this is the best.
You can't pass here. You can't pass here. You barely were in the right spot.
And they want the nativity scene that the Springfield Catholic Diocese installed November 30th of this year.
Red light run.
During the installation, Bishop Thomas, it's not bad, because this is, anyway, whatever. People who know better than me about these things would probably write it. No, it's terrible. Yeah, so according to
may have been a red light run.
Struggled to define
from across the way.
And its current, it was this weird, like, sort of, like, baptism balcony. That was weird. Did somebody get baptized?
Uh-oh. Someone was in the wrong lane to turn left. Oh, well. You suck. You're going in the video.
Just splayed about. And just adorable, right? Well, this is what happens. So this isn't like some cutesy thing. They've gone for it's like a sculpture, right, or a figurine or whatever. This isn't like
Life-size ghost
some
figure.
plushie.
Wait,
Oh yeah, I just.
I
looked
think
it
it was
up.
by
Yeah, it looks
design
like-
that plow going straight, but that guy ran a red light.
I'm calling it a theme park. I
Okay.
don't think that's what the developers are going to be calling it.
So what is this? There's like a log flume or something where you're baptized at the end.
Water.
They declare you baptized.
Wait, what the heck? Why is that guy backing up? Alright, you want to turn left, which you can't because he came too late, and now you're going to be stuck there for another cycle. Oh, well, it's not like you couldn't have went straight, went through the parking lot, and went out through another entrance or whatever, you know, but whatevs.
Yeah.
If they have no time, who cares whether they...
It doesn't make a difference, right? There is no forward and backwards. Or both
No,
sides.
stop
there's two
up
ways
there.
of answering this question. I think both.
Who likes Christmas displays? I have to say, like I liked this.
Red light run!
The Mormons got great entry in the short but rich history of sociopathic advice on social media.
No,
When
stop.
I spoke with Ford soon after, I was curious about whether she was surprised.
Ash. If you do this because James from Houston
Red light
is
run.
worth going to bed at night without any
Geoscience, so I really do kind of sit at the middle, and I care a lot about life in the universe, but because I come from a family of doctors, my big rebellion in life was I never did biology in college, so...
I think that was a red light run. I'm going to check that.
What I work with clients now, I have a Master of Counseling, and I work as a coach, helping people heal from religious
Really?
trauma. And I use something called internal family systems. It's a therapeutic modality, super cool.
Question, this is a family audience.
That's right.
Here on the Roku channel.
I think I would take the
Hello! And also, you don't have your headlights on either. You dum-dum.
Later that same evening.
It's Patty.
I got it.
It's about as close to a home game as I get. And so I drove home after the game last night.
All right, so then let's walk through what you know about
Yeah,
the
Flash's
situation.
side beam still didn't get the point.
If anything. Eric, what are you hearing?
Just what we see, the reports that come out, and
Another
the
flash
Hamlin
eye beams
family released a
did not get
statement
the
a little
point.
bit ago, just thanking everyone involved for all the support.
Say no much.
Eric Wood when we come back.
How wrestling really works and how...
Nah, left turn regret up there.
This is the Rich Eisen Show.
He essentially goes to the ground. I honestly don't know what to think.
I think that's okay, Rich. I mean, last night was
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
On the same field, right around the same spot where Tua hit the turf earlier this year.
Red light run.
his hands-
Red light run. Red light run. That might be my new thing. I just came up with it like 3 minutes ago.
Start chasing those laughs, and then you just end up talking yourself into these fucking, you know, like all those like.
No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. If this is Connecticut, no trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. If we happen to be in Connecticut, but we're not in Connecticut, we're on I-81 north of Syracuse. There is no truck restriction here, so he's okay. You can't even see the guy anymore because his truck's in the way. Get out of the way. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.